if time just stopped, not for a minute, not for an hour, but for just 1 single second, you wouldn't even blink, yet the damage would be irreversible when we say time stops. We don't just mean clocks freezing, it means everything stops: atoms, light, sound, motion. Even the chemical reactions inside your body. No movement, no heat transfer, no electricity flowing. The universe becomes a paused frame. Planes in the sky, they instantly lose lift. Cars on highways, momentum disappears. But here's the terrifying part: when time restarts after 1 second, everything resumes motion at once. Planes fall, cars crash, oceans create massive shockwaves. That 1 second becomes a global disaster. Your heart beats because of electrical signals. Time stops gives electricity stops. Your brain frozen mid-thought. You don't feel pain. You don't feel fear because your brain cannot process anything without time. For that second, you don't exist as a conscious being. Light also freezes. That means for 1 second, the sun's light doesn't reach Earth. Complete darkness everywhere. When time restarts, light slams back instantly, creating massive radiation imbalances. Even 1 second breaks natural equilibrium. The universe isn't designed to pause. Physics depends on continuous flow. Stopping time breaks gravity calculations, atomic stability, energy balance. The scary truth: reality is fragile. It only feels stable because it never stops. If time ever stopped, even for 1 second, the universe would never fully recover. Life survives not because it's strong, but because time never hesitates. If 1 second can do this, what do you think would happen if time stopped for a full minute? Comment your theory and follow for more mind-bending Science Explained Simply.